Okay, while eating, let's get to know each other. Okay? Brief description lang ha, kasi later meron tayong ibang introduction. So ito, self-introduction tayo, later or may introduction tayo. So, tell your name, yung bias nyo, yung favorite song nyo sa bagong album ng aking jowa.
Bakit nalaman ka?
Babantayan kita. Magkakabi ko lang.
Wala, dami mo palang araw dito.
Dito kayo mga karibaw.
And why? Okay?
I'm Jam, 29, and Namjoon Bias.
Ang dami mo sa form nga, lalagay ko bawal ko.
Ayan, Namjoon Bias, and then favorite song, siguro beat-wise, yung Heaven. Kasi, ano siya, parang pag pinapakinggan ko, feeling ko kailangan ko siyang kasayaw sa dim light. Ganun yung vibes, di ba? Tapos lyrically, parang halos lahat. Nalilito kasi ako, parang isang buong kanta yung album. Pero siguro yung lyrically nuts, kasi galit siya. Galit siya. And gusto ko ulit makita yung monster era na Namjoon. Parang magkaroon ulit tayo ng glimpse.
Yeah. Bumalik si ano? Si Ramon.
Diba?
Bias ko ay si Yoongi.
Oy!
Bias ko ay si Yoongi. Pero I love rap line talaga. I'm a rap line. My favorite song sa album niya is Heaven. Kasi yun yung mga type ng music na gusto ko, parang chill. Pero yung lyrics is packed with meaning. And then super easy lang niya pakinggan.
First time ni Namjoon maging ganun ka-vulnerable na parang in a relationship ever.
Tama.
Kasi more on angst niya na self-keme. Ngayon parang, ay, sinong naripabre? Charis, bakit? Joke na.
Tsaka alam mo sa mga match mo lang din. At the time kasi kailangan yung mag-perform. Pero kayo naka-take off na sila. Yan yung sinabi na parang I love the match. Yeah.
Responsibility Cameron dun sa...
Yung box na yan, pala nyo na siyang i-open, beats siya. Yung beats na gagawin niyo, yung bracelets na gagawin niyo, ibibigay niyo siya dun sa mabubunod niyo. Gift niyo siya sa army.
Right now, I am in the season of waiting for God's plan. Oh my God, that's me! Ano ba ito naganda mo?
Natatawa ako doon. You walk like a duck. Ay, hindi. Pero ako, joke lang.
You'll write something. You'll introduce yourself, frustrations nyo, dreams nyo, anything about yourself na willing kayong i-share. Tapos, number lang yung ilalagay nyo doon. And then, mag-exchange, ibibigay nyo siya sa akin, kukuha kayo ng letter, you'll read the letter of the army, and then you'll introduce that army to us. Kumbaga, kung mapupulot ko, for example, si Kayla, babasahin yung letter niya, I'll introduce her based sa letter na nabasa ko. Ganon siya. Ang nabulot ni Kayla ay si Jam.
Yung description ko is yung dalawang songs na unang pumasok sa isip ko that was reading your letter was HYYH and Everything Goes. Kasi meron sa HYYH End Men in June. Isa to sa favorite ko. Kaya alala ko siya na parang you don't get to appreciate the good things without the bad things. And you said that in your letter, you're a collection of contradictions. And there's nothing wrong with that because you get to appreciate more of the good things without parang pag hindi mo na-experience yung bad things. And then, I have this intuition that you're an optimist and partly hope overcomes fear. So, even though you're at the wrong places, sometimes I feel like you'll eventually be the right person pa rin, even at the wrong places. And continue to live life and meron akong pinakahawakan din na another verse ni June. Ito, hindi siya sikat na verse. Makikita mo lang siya sa freestyle niya. Freestyle. And ang sabi niya dito, and I have finally realized what is really important. It's not reality or the ideal, but it's the true me in myself in the present moment. The things I believe in, the things I pray for, and the fact that one day I will bloom so brightly. So even though that you have all these worries reaching your almost 30s, continue to live life as it is and as you are in love.
Thank you. Ibigay mo na yung description mo sa kanya. Argan Cafe will give her letter. Tapos yung bracelet. Yay! Ang next naman natin, I see Jam na. Ayan. Ang ganda nung makikinig talaga siya sa'yo.
May impression na ako kanina na siya yung namunan.
Ganun talaga yung mga
Aura-wise.
Aura-wise.
Okay.
Ay, dito pala. Ano?
Sorry.
Ngayon ba? May idea ka kung sino yan?
Yes. Alam ko yung handwriting nito. Nakita ko din sa gilid ko. Ay, parang kilala ko yun.
Ang nabulot niya ay si Denise.
Buti na lang pocket yung friends.
Wait lang. Since kayong dalawang nabulot mo siya, are you guys the type of friendship na you share frustration and burdens? Or mas type of friendship kayo na parang happy-happy kayong dalawa?
I think balance lang.
Balance. Kayo ay mag-friends because
Since college.
college. Okay. Magka-classmate kayo? College? Sige, yung starter na.
Okay. This person is like Namjoon's title track in RPW. Lost. She is living a mediocre life and grew up alone, hence she's having a hard time opening up to people and feels like her struggles are shallow compared to others. So, parang di na ito introduction kasi nalaman ko. So, parang letter na siya. So, yung letter na siya. So, ayun.
Timbogan.
So, yun, yung gusto kong sabihin is, in this world, everyone feels a little lost, and I hope you know that feeling lost is an indication of growth.
growth is not linear, it's messy, and we all go through that. And there will be a lot of maze and detours to the journey to oneself. Like yung kantahan ni Namjoon. Kasi for me, Come Back to Me is Namjoon's love letter to himself. So, from lost to finding his way back to himself. There's a lot of maze and detours to that journey. And I cannot wait to see you blossom to your best self. So, ayun. Tinopya ko dito kay Jimin. You can wonder, feel the lows of life, and we will always be here to welcome you, no matter how many times you journey that path. So, ayun, sabi kasi niya sa letter, or sa letter niya, medyo struggle siya, feeling niya the life she's living is, hindi siya makapag-open up sa other people kasi feeling niya, yung pinapasan niya is shallow nga compared to other person, and people from her life are busy. Yes, true. Ayun yan, because medyo nasa season kami na sobrang busy with school work. Ayan, so I just want you to know that there's beauty in mediocrity. As always, isa din yan sa mga natutunan ko with Bangtan. They love the mediocrities in life. So there's beauty in it, and I will forever gladly share those moments with you, even in your lost state. So, just as how easy you can press play on Namjoon's songs and on Bangtan's songs, you can always tap me. So, tap me for whatever, for comfortable silence, for the messy parts of life, for the shallow things, and for even the big wins. So, here's to enjoying life despite all its struggle. Here's to feeling free to say whatever you want to say, like how Namjoon closed his Come Back to Me song.
Actually, maganda rin kasi nakitigan mo.
Yes.
Kasi di naman, katulad nga dun sa Transit Love, di naman kasi tayo magkakilala. Kaya nga may letter. Parang yun yung, way of knowing each other. Pero much better if friend mo siya. Kasi you will describe her much in depth, kumbaga. Bigyan mo na.
Parang kanina lang wala nagtatali. Be, ito yung dinali mo. Ay na, may nagtatali mo pocket bracelet mo.
Anong balita, Sete? Kamusta ka na? Pero pa pips lang?
Makaka-date na.
Si Jimin, kung makatitig ka naman, Jimin. Jimin, hindi ako yung pagkain.
Baliw!
Oh, miss ko na sila. Umiyak. Bumalgal.
Si Namjoon may may libro pa. Be, tapos na finals, be!
Classmates sila ba yan? Nakatabi ko. Nag-aaral sila.
Be! Event to, be! Dito library!
Grabe naman yung mga katabi ko nag-aaral.
Hi guys! I just got home from the RM Soyery / listening party of Right Place or Wrong Person, the newest album of RM or Namjoon or my husband, my bias. It was organized by Archive Cafe, so pumunta kami doon. I'm with Denise. It's a very intimate event. Actually, 4 lang kami. Intimate conversation lang siya. Nag-usap lang kami, nagchikahan kami, gumawa kami ng bracelet, may konting kainan. Hindi pala konti, kasi ang dami nilang menu, ang dami nilang sinerve. And also, nagchikahan talaga kami. I really had a great time talking with armies and chika, spilling the tea, talking about the album, what our favorites are, favorite tracks, favorite lyrics, tas may mga letter din. And I'm just here to close this vlog kasi I haven't vlogged properly, and usually that is an indication of me having a great time. So, good. It's my first day of vacation from law school kasi tapos na yung second sem. I'm already 3rd year. And, yun, yung pamparelax ko is going to Bangtan events, army events. Yan, papakita ko yung mga nakuha ko sa event. I have this cup sleeve na right place, wrong person. Ayan, sobrang cute niya, on brand for Namjoon. Tapos, inuwi ko din yung nameplate ko kasi sobrang cute lang. Ayan, siya. And then, my sticker pack. And, meron kaming bracelet mini kit. And, of course, yung... Wait, nasa na yun? Ayan, itong letter at saka yung bracelet na ginawa namin. Hindi ako yung naggawa nito kasi parang yung activity is ang magbibigay sa'yo is yung nakabunot sa'yo. Nakabunot sa letter mo or yung introduction mo for yourself. I'm not explaining it properly, pero basta ganun siya. If you are watching Transit Love, may ganun na part daw doon wherein isusulat mo yung about yourself, magsusulat ka about yourself, tapos yung nakabunot nun, i-introduce ka niya based dun sa sinulat mo. So, yun. So, ito yun. And, babasahin ko yung part dito na sinulat nung nakabunot sa introduction ko for myself. Sabi niya, meron daw siyang intuition na ako yung nabunot niya based dun sa sinulat ko. Tapos, based dun sa sinulat ko, naalala daw niya tong verse ni Namjoon. Itong verse ni Namjoon, hindi siya famous kahit sa within the fandom kasi it's Rap Monster Freestyle 3. So, lumang-luma na to. And I will read it to you guys. This is Rap Monster Freestyle 3. And I have finally realized what is really important. It's not reality or the ideal, but it's the true me in myself, in the present moment. The things I believe, the things I pray for, and the fact that one day, I will bloom so brightly. Rap Monster, Freestyle 3. It really resonated with me kasi sinulat ko doon na I somehow feel lost and scared and worried kasi I am already hitting the big 30 this year. So, I have worries kasi I feel like I haven't accomplished a lot. I feel like I'm left behind. So, yeah. Sabi niya, naalala daw niya ako sa verse na to. And also, may sinulat pa siya dito ng mga observations niya sa akin. HYYH, this is a track from BTS, naalala daw niya ako doon, and also Everything Goes, also a track from Namjoon's Mono. Tapos sinulat niya dito that I am a collection of contradictions, I am an optimist, and hope overcomes fear for me. Yeah, I do agree. And also, sinulat niya dito for me na you'll be the right person even at the wrong places. Continue to live life. Manatili, mananatili. Goodbye, guys. See you on my next vlog.